Khadija anha was the first to accept his message from all human beings. As people enter the fold of Islam, Quraysh starts with all their harm. They boycott Muhammad to destroy him. Khadija anha was so unique. She used her power in terms of economy to protect Muhammad over and above the support as a wife that she had. So this is why, later on, Muhammad says, "She spent on me when the others held back." There was a time when Quraysh had chosen to surround them and boycott them for almost 2 years, and they were fed to wealth that Khadija anha had. She used her wealth, but not once did she say, "You are my husband. How can I use my wealth on you?" Not once did she make it seem that this is my virtue over you. She supported him, she protected him, she spoke highly of him, even after prophethood. She constantly said, "He is the most truthful, what he said is completely true." One day, Jibreel salam came down with revelation, and do you know what he said? He said, "O Muhammad sallallahu Khadija anha is about to enter the door with something in her hand. So when she enters, pass her the greetings of Allah and my own greetings." On top of that, Jibreel salam says, "Tell her that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prepared for her a home in paradise, made up of pearls." So she was one of the women who was promised paradise already. Khadija anha was the first mother of the believers. Muhammad used to constantly make mention of Khadija very highly. So one day, Aisha anha said, "O Muhammad she was an old lady. She has passed away. Allah has now given you better than her. So why do you keep on talking about her?" He says, "Allah has not replaced me with someone better." He continues and he says, "She believed in me when everybody disbelieved. She believed my message when the others disbelieved. She spent her wealth when everyone denied me. She was the strong pillar of support. She bore all my children when none other did." Aisha looked at him and she saw the passion in Prophet's eyes when he was speaking about Khadija anha. Aisha says, "Forgive me, I will never ever say one word negative Khadija anha after this day." When Muhammad slaughtered an animal, he used to take a little bit of the meat and send it to the friends of Khadija anha. When Muhammad was married to Khadija anha, she was much older than him, but he never married anyone else. Khadija anha makes mention of how faithful and loyal Muhammad was. He did not say one statement to make her sad. She used to come with the food and the drink, and she served him. She says he was the best of husbands ever. Subhanallah. Muhammad says, four of the women with the highest of status are: number 1, Mary, the mother of the Jesus, may peace be upon her. Number 2, Khadija anha, the daughter of Khuwaylid. Number 3, Fatima anha, the daughter of Muhammad Number 4, Asiya, the wife of Pharaoh. Khadija bint Khuwaylid anha had passed away, the 10th year of prophethood. That year was known as the year of sadness. Muhammad did not need to make a hijrah for as long as Khadija anha was alive. Discussion of migration to Medina was never made when Abu Talib and Khadija anha were alive. In the life of Khadija anha, Medina was not even discussed because here you had the solid support. Subhanallah. The Battle of Badr took place, and after that there were some captives. From among the captives was Abu al-As ibn Rabi, and when the captives had to make a payment in order to be released, Abu al-As ibn Rabi presented a necklace. When Muhammad saw the necklace, his eyes were filled with tears. Why? Abu As ibn Rabi was married to his daughter Zainab. Zainab sent that necklace in order to free her husband. But whose necklace was that? That necklace belonged to Khadija bint Khuwaylid anha. She had given it to her daughter. So Muhammad looks at it with tears in his eyes and asks his companions, "If you allow, we give this necklace back. It belongs to Khadija, my wife." Mu'mineen, Subhanallah. Back. The necklace was given back. Abu al-As ibn Rabi went back and later on came as a Muslim because he saw the fair treatment of all the captives. Khadija radhiyallahu anha was a great woman. Subhanallah. May Allah grant her Jannah and may Allah grant us a lesson.